Hey guys, welcome to another edition of Big Daddy's Little Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how I make refried beans. This recipe is full of protein, super easy and super delicious, and trust me when I say you'll never go back to canned refried beans again. So stick around when we come back. I'm going to show you how I do it next. So the first thing we're going to do is take these canned refried beans and toss them to the side because those days are behind us. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to want to use fresh beans, and generally you find them in the grocery store in a bag, something like this, and our stores carry 1 to 2 pound sizes. I generally use about a pound at a time. From the bag we're going to take them, we're going to put them in a colander, and we're going to rinse them thoroughly with water, and then we are going to pour them into the bowl, and we are going to get some water and soak these guys for approximately 24 hours. And what I like to do is use fresh clean water and a piece of cellophane like so, and then we'll just cover these and let them sit, and in 24 hours we're going to come back and get them. But in the meantime, I want to explain a few things to you about dried beans. One of the things that I need to tell you is when you are doing beans like this, inside them you're going to get some hard beans, cracked beans, or little tiny stones. So what you'll want to do is thoroughly wash these, and then just using your hand you're going to want to pick through them and get rid of any kind of little stones that may be in these beans. We're going to go ahead and take our beans, dump those in so. Then we're going to take our onions, file those in, and our garlic and dump that in there. The other thing we're going to do is we're going to add a little bit of salt to this mix. So I just add some salt to there, and then we're going to take it over to the oven, to the stove. The liquid smoker. We're going to bring this to a boil. And once it reaches a boiling temperature, then we will reduce it and let it simmer for a few hours. Sorry, this is going to be a little messy and it's hard to do it because I'm right-handed. Done. Super simple. The longest part of this recipe was letting those beans simmer. Guys, until next time, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Make sure you look at my tortilla recipe to go with these great refried beans. And until next time, we will see you here at Big Daddy's Little Kitchen.